In this video, I'll show you how to get the USDC base address on Trust Wallet. Ensure subscribe and turn on the bell notification for lots of educational kinds of contents like this. If someone tells you to send your USDC base address, what you're going to do right now, head over to your Trust Wallet, right? This is the manage. Then come on here, type in USDC, right? Once you have typed in USDC, you're going to wait for it to open. There's a lot of options right here. So you're going to find the USDC base, right? So this is it, the USDC base. I'm going to turn it on. I'm gonna go back. So this is it. If someone tells you to send a USDC base, this is what I'm going to send for the person. So ensure you do this carefully so as you receive your funds and everything. So if you find this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through the video. I'm gonna see you guys in the very next one.